God, I don't work pay the tax, but with the money wey they take out of me, I don't work, I don't pay them. Who don't pay tax? I don't pay. I not do anybody money. So for me now, shame not dey my face. I don't come myself for television. I don't come myself for newspaper. Shame not dey again. Before I grow, I dey grow the confess they do like woman. If you bought even the mama people, the one way they don't travel, nothing the way they did Europe, all of them they come that time. Hey, you know sure say you be Ogbonistan. So because they get people like that. So this your peculiar from small. Come and said, before there, I did Nigeria, I be hairdresser, madam, Magu, Arrow CCV, Ode, Agbo Park Roadie, the Conuro, the police roadie, and not for lane walk.
Land work, okay.
My madam, I be nigga, and I say that the color, not for lane walk, makeup and hair. I was the senior boy there.
Wow.
I mean, that shop, see, I can't graduate for 1 year. 1 year and 5 months. So before that, I did do long hair. I did wear bit away. Even I did dance with that time. People with the dance with they know me. Sapler Road bypass. I did dance with that time. I did dance with the Olori Bible, all of them. Even I did dance normal traditional dance or local dance for again 1 year. I don't forget one with the Ije for Paris. Now my godmother be that one day. Before you reach after players, this oh God, Okoro bus stop. Now end of Okoro when more today now has day for day.
Okay, I get that down Okoro.
Yeah, I don't do all those one. Hey, no,
Okay, okay, continue. After police station.
That guy, if they come for New Benin, all those Igbo boys where they sell those swag trousers. Now torture that they call me, I say I can't yellow rich.
Okay.
I can't yellow, come me quicker for gun, I can't get your journal. All torture now that they come me so now that I carry work, go give them for there. I don't think they work up, they'll begin to rig this to follow me. They can't warn them, they not they call me that name again. Which is for Igbo Nare to Ugwenoba.
Ha! Oh God. Honestly.
Even that I can follow mama the fair. Every day mama the fair. So you see Taylor store, hey boy girl, woman rapper, Ovioku, all those kind of things. Even pastor go there, go pastor say, I rebuke you, spirit from the Marie kingdom. You they get me. Each of all the linear but mom it's normal, you they get me. Say I can't travel. They never believe I go travel. It's on the land of women now, where they do like mini pit. I want to make them not go kill her, all those kind of things. Now get for the do juju igbe. Now for see my connection take come out. My first travel was to Dubai. Because this boy, I go so do if family self, they go put the pit. Even if family self, may the family resolve to Nigeria. And I see legbe. I don't care because now we are sitting for confirming. And when they confirm me, I give them my rules and regulations. I tell them, I say, see so thing. I not be person with the drag person. Person no person when I follow. Before if you look me for this social media, I never bring my family issue condition. I see Wall Street or no Wall Street too. I never bring a condition social media. Either I bring person when they follow me, when they date me, come. Nobody knows about that.
Power tap.
On a low key. Now I say see Wetin see. And this kind of thing, I don't like it. I'm not the look for trouble. I just offer to do my own to go. But if you say trouble,
what really happened between with this guy now before he come resolve this outside the Wahala?
Mama, the guy come at DM. That was I think 2023. It always they come at TikTok. He go gift, he go comment something. I'll both family they get me, and I be person they follow how my spirit stay there. They get me. If my spirit match you, I go follow that person. If the person can't force himself when my spirit not follow one, I feel still grief for the person, but I go match my guard. They watch my back. They get me, mama. So 2023, this guy they come apply for, come they gift me. Then at the end of the day, before they already know one of my, I don't know before I know me because I don't really know the true part between that my other gender. Then one of my other gender, they call her Miss Flower. I had the dates before for Facebook that time. That was back then with the day. I had the day interview, no corner. So I don't know waiting their settings that period. But the small one will include to the matter we will get for grant. I know that one. So maybe that the date that I not care to know. So I think something happened and there was like not in a good terms. So in on the gift to me, the next day I saw I said this was saying enter my DM, it's sliding to my TikTok. Then he come write me say, Alpha babe, I want carry you for daybreak. Now, because I be person, not the add my own. Even though I dare anywhere, if you don't know you boy, you be black, oh, I they call your place. I tell you, madam, see who I be, oh. If you go feel take him, if you feel welcome me, welcome me. If you not feel welcome me, I beg. And tell me I go sit down for my house. I'm done, I'll come finish because they use nose. Till they relearn me. I not feel do that one. So I can't tell the boy say, I beg go. I be so this kind of gender. Oh. You did do one. Not be say you come now, you can't ask me say you be this. Not I don't need many. And I say I don't need many questions. So this is me. I go straight to the point to you. So let's say yes, he already know. In the comment, like they give me blah blah blah. Anyone carry me for daybreak? Now come laugh. Now say I know they do daybreak. I be person where they very hard working. I dey like to work with my hands, even though I dey do extra thing out of my work. But I value those work money mostly. Not till they do something. Now I like pass. They get me to work. Do like they inside the work that they see me and they go. Now say now they like. Now say maybe they go that side. Say me with the TikTok. I know they going on blah blah blah. Say they look me at the do a shower now shower. We are gonna be my work. I say that one on social media. Anything you see in social media, that's for social media. I say outside of social media, I get life to live. I get a lot of things to do. It's not be my power go be say oh here if you come for next life. Sorry to say that. I know why I say that. If not, my mother is a very great mother, so nobody can bless each other. Yeah, that if I come for next life, follow the same Benin mama come. Because if not, I'm not. If I not come, I'll be very person with very educated, we're very smart. Lecturer, now lecturer are supposed to be. And I'm a partner CBTC for life. Or I'm supposed to they work for maybe they can pay for government or all those kind.
Then Nigeria, in Nigeria, where we not do have.
Yes, now the person with this regimen, now that placement for the year, you get mama.
But you not tell me that one, no Jesus.
No, I dey make no. You know say
okay,
that. See why, but you know say those periods when they talk, I need you know say I not be every time I go begin talk come and say so now everything they go come and and I'm not the other see why I talk for this. I talk for the time when me come social media. I talk I did with the traffic because when I do TikTok, when I do social media, I cannot add them. When I travel, they come. I did with that the standard for where salam alaikum people dey. I dey talk, I not hide anything. So I can't tell her now say I don't need relationships at the moment. I just want to focus on myself, do my thing.
If you are not power tapping the main drop
they do my thing, they go. Now I can't tell the guy like that. Now I can't tell I say I prefer friends with benefit.
Okay.
Will they get me? If you give me, I come with do what you want to get off. I don't need to come like co-career and like wife match. I say no, just one more day relationship. Now I say I be crazy. I tell her say I be person with this. I know this honorate nonsense. So I'm a joy giver at the same time. I'm a silent killer. I let her know I'm very good, but don't mess with me. And I go do, and I say, if you mess with me, I go make sure say I put you to where you belongs to. I not get to know who you be, where the family with you. Can I say anything make me raise my voice like this? You go know say, even though I not spend money, you go know what you follow me, we go back me, we make sure say, Mama, they come and quick pick this call.
Okay, Baba.
Hello? Hey? You're to junior secretary. You're I do from front Hema. Meet Hema.
We are
10 minutes. Okay, do come to me, man. Then do scaring that till me. You come out to tell them packet from them. Your poema? No. Okay. Okay, I do 10. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, then come. You come, man.
I know we language.
Mama, they come. I get a package where they come and we go collect and fast. Just 1 minute. I'll mute. Then I not go come on.
Problem, Baba. Call.
Baba, that's it. Baba, like you be the bado that. Now bado mama be what they call you. Because you not tell us this one, but you reach your turn, he tell you everything, mama. He tell you everything. He tell you everything.
This is the season of talk everything. I type for them. You worry winner. In case of that setting, please, guys, please, I'm not commanding you, rather I'm begging guys to please power tap, okay? Since people they plenty when they watch, if power tap, now they go up, you'll be like, say, what would they do? You're not interested in her, huh? Very handsome, fine lady. Alice Clark.
The cutest, the hottest.
The hottest, the one in the shot right now. Beautiful to
Mama, not that. Now, all your when they use now for me to be not for the other, and so it come for me to just. So.
See, I see. Oh, we are going to oh, yeah, no, later I came with Naja.
Mama, they come. No, the oh yeah, where the other one because time I didn't draw my auntie we get house for no way. So don't see no my mama na the last one. So that one they always they bring out the cup for me that can they use.
Okay.
And so then so now I tell and say I did very see I say bill see the rules when I did like see waiting I they always you they get me which I did like I not like all those kind of if you know say the relationship not work for you then just off you do your own waka promote no bring me on social media talk about me just do your thing you say yes
no, I
not bring this to come myself now I talk and say you just off you waka your whole day go you say okay no problem now we got it start to mama if I be picking with the not train well body discussion be at that moment our back ticket go see her. It took us 1 year, I think 2 years or 1 year and 5 months before I go see this boy.
Wow.
Before I agree. Before I agree, because I be person, I'm not the carry they meet, I'm not the carry the I'm not talking obviously here, I'm not they move anyhow. Here I'm not they move anyhow because I get the way I take it. So I'm not they move anyhow. You get now when the teacher me so get the way I got it there. I know feel hard. I know where that the thing not work for my head.
Okay.
So it take me 1 year and 5 months. So at the end of the day, so we will talk. I'm not going to give her feedback like all those kind of things. Not to the response to something. I go call me. Maybe I'll get it if I don't close for work. All those kind of things. Or I'll busy call. So I can't give her attitude. You get me. So then I can't do my thing because normally I get all these mixed blood children. They say they be my ex, they date me, all those kind of things, all those one. Now they not take get property, take get land, blah blah blah, those kind of things. So I get the like. I guess I not be like not be say it was go. He said it to over.
Okay.
That was back then, and the way we stripper. I do a dressing. No, I'm not ashamed to. I'm a public figure. That's normal. Everybody did a lot of things before they become who they have, before they get the position with their day. So nobody is perfect. I said they talk my own, use my own show example. So when a time come they reach, me even mama will born me. I tell them, I say, Asha wait be. It's a nice one we. Mama call it down, tell me say, at the person I did laugh, I know they take something serious, that's me. If I talk, I did laugh. So now she called me say, he not send me down when I did do. As a Benin mother, so my mom not there yet. She be talk me and she with the battle, she not there yet. Coco me say keep by you worry. I was like family wife for comfort, they did the tough. They're not easy. They say they even tell in Nigeria that they match me, maybe they will stand. Normally, me stubborn. Now maybe the black sheep. If you know when they get family, they'll get the one with different. For instance, when they say they'll live and see be more carrying our property. No, let us keep. So now my mom because say you're not supposed to do that kind of thing. So I called because of my mama. I'm not called it like you call ask you see you get me, you then family. Just shut up your mouth in that comment section.
Comment section, please, please. We're getting comment section. If you want to leave talk, no comment section again. Boost comment section. I buy your pastor, may you wait, make that pastor wait fair, no fair talk, I bet no verse.
So now I can't so forget my personal people when I did deal with you, they get me. So those one I start back. And even though Emoti, Yanati, me like, you come, baby girl, how you doing? Let me just say you come to see my mom. So some of them they introduce me to their mom. Some of them their mama na Benin, they marry Oyibo. Some of them their mama na another tribe for inside Nigeria, they marry Oyibo. I just see their papa say you look good, but you just want me just touch your breasts more. Remove your this do to me with picking my picking your marriage. You both decided the request, and so now that one even make me they run for their son, their Miss Blood picking. They don't me, I'm not they stress myself. And you go wala and go. So all those kind of things. So I cut because of this boy, cut them off.
Right, so this is so.
I cut because of the cut them off, they gave me. Then after the thing called the go, I cause it say if for a while it can't not call the talk.
Red boy, when you're making noise, you where you concentrate to say
no, not the not the
okay.
The check on. Okay. Yeah, so now the comment I leave the oil. Okona
oh, back off for his head.
Yeah, so it can't leave me for a while. We'll not come they talk. If they get me, why I go speak English for this kind of battlefield? They know they do that one. So now come for a while, can't leave me, can't go they follow that other one, the Miss Flower, they talk.
The Miss Flower, oh, no, piano.
And now the same job that will be all of us now the same thing, but would they use where we
okay.
Nobody be woman. Okay. So but they follow that one they talk. Later now, I don't know what you that one say, I cause you run come meet me.
That doesn't make sense.
I say come meet me now. Then I can't go work. That I can't relocate from my small city, come to a big city again. And that period now, for our big city now, it takes people like 6 years or 10 years to get an apartment on queue. So everybody with there are basically mostly not be all get their own permanent apartment that they rent for people for there. So I don't get option to get my job, and I get 6 months to pass that 6 months before I get my permanent. So I have to grab it. So now I take rent one room for Swedish family hand that period. But God so lucky now I can't get I get only 2 weeks now I take me and I get my apartment. So in our big city. So it be good make it born a snake the born snake and a lion the born. So then that period it can't call inside. So he say he can't when he call, we can't talk for train. They go this train look familiar, like this place did very different from the place when I felt. I say I relocate I can't explain. I say I did very strong so I not be person with I be very strong person. I can't they beg me no come back, all those kind of thing. Now me it's very difficult. Yes, it's very difficult to talk on mama. You know that, yeah. So I say you be strong person as you even quit your apartment, your own personal apartment for your small city. You just quick even get sharing where you go even stay. Now people will say they are very nice, they are Swedish from they're very nice to you on the cook. When I say yeah. So I got them some will come back and they beg me, all those kind of they call the talk. So I can't they follow it, I can't they laugh. So then before that we talk about the situations, including my own, we discuss. Sometimes we used to discuss normal talk. I used to change the topic. So they go tell me say I love you, I'll use boss class or tell I not tell her, but I go say I not really love her, no one tell her say I love her, but I'll use another topic, normal life, I take the time money to cover the issue. And when I give her my number, my first number was like I give her my line where be say don't want to go the talk tafia or name me sometimes it go take me 4 days, 5 days, a week, 2 weeks before I go put that WhatsApp look with it that place. I know the carry go they look now every business like they give them to people will be say that man now my work people get and people will know say you want to do business, you get any business trade like you want we concerning money that one if you reach me I go pick. So I'm not gonna give another one cut the follow at the top before that day we call the talk to me, I can't give her my real line. We cut it back, come back. I can't give her the real line will fit they reach me 247. So then he can't tell me more come back. Now there as we call the talk, I got to say he like to knock me. Now I got to say say I see be now say no fee wait. I don't mean buy the ticket, now say come blah blah blah. He can't force me like I beg, Rainbow, give me
Power tap. This plan is not.
because they just say
It's not
I'm not they easy to get. Because they
now
just
fear
say
people when I power tap. Only to it.
because to say I'm not the people they talk say I'm not they easy to get. In surprise, say I give one space more way it take come
Got
close
it
to
up.
me. Now I say yes, I'm not really that easy to get. Now, you know, to see people boys who go come and say come to us.
Emoji tears, they go mark this thing. Now, no good. I'm gonna stop her.
One more emoji tears, I will block you. You can wash with your eyes. If you can do something for me, power tap. Any emoji tears, I will block you, please. I beg, not verse, I beg. I'm not my who. Now, am I explaining what emoji tears is? Yeah, mommy, cute should be host not insult also. What did that mean?
Now, so this mom is cute. You they do pasha. Any tomorrow you go your job.
So
Now go come. Continue, Baba.
then now I could tell and say if it's no say it all it dey insist it dey hedge say make I come on now he go buy ticket na ticket issue he never buy ticket for woman before and he no go he no dey try am but this man he must now I cut that's okay now therefore come laugh I cut that's okay you want move for that's okay oh yeah buy the ticket now more mark set you dey get me
Okay.
as he talk the word as he say he want buy the ticket I say you dey talk I can't enter my phone. Now your book instantly ticket. I can't look my days. They can't give me off for inside December
Okay.
period, which is Christmas. So I supposed to they give me off. I'd already buy a ticket. Why they put my pet daddy place, which is my stud lesbian pet daddy. I get pet daddy like Papa, like the Godfather. So they Berlin. So I've already buy the ticket. Because bedding on the 25. So I don't need to mix some. So I can't look and no need now call beg down, I call down, because no problem now your choice, just make you dey safe for where you dey go, may nothing happen to you. So I can't switch the ticket again.
So
I have money doing now. Take buy it could be everything could be 400 because you know say that period it could be say more say quarter for that December for me for also near December finish like just 2 days or 3 days. Now I buy the ticket, could be like emergency buy quick ticket, could be 400 euro. I call your bank, I can't add money journal now switch on back to France, Paris. Now I can't show the ticket. Say I don't already buy an so they talk. Now I can't look. Yes, I buy not be serious. Oh yeah.
Okay. You know saying you use the money to buy the ticket too.
Here you go, man. I'm not there. There you go, man. If I want to spend, then here you go, man. So I call buy. I said buy. Then I come. It's not be you want to tell me roads to how I want to take corner. So now me go if you not take if you drop your address, I come meet you for a class.
Wow.
So then as I can't reach the Paris, I can't take train, everything, I can't reach Reims. So you can't come as you come, you see me as I come that for this thing, we take train to the normal that CDJ get where they for the entire bus flat, but I can't enter direct come a place for Reims. So as I come down, even then, other people, boys come they toast me for a side bus.
Okay now.
Loud boys, they call they toast me.
Okay.
So me and those one call they talk, they go. So I call they see some French guests. All those one want be my friend. All of us come they laugh together. For the people give me their child, I might take charge phone. Come they discuss it. Because they say all of us now got that come down. Both those boys they call they follow me for back. So he come they come. As they call those one cause and all those one take that back.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, so as he cause him, he can't embrace me. He can't shock. He said, why I talk like this? I like, get out. And then he said, the camera, they deceive people. Say, they look at it, say, I shot. Say, I even talk person safe. So all those one called the low cost. The boys called the low cost. So all those one, they toast me for side, but called the low cost. So me even that, and even tell me say if I come and remove my wig, I can't remove. I can't use normal hair, take on that. I still fine. Nothing do me. So it was like, wow, you smell nice, you look good, your clothes, everything like. But you did different for things. I say, TikTok now just to go do your thing. Normal down will get other things to just do you. They get me. So it got to say make a kiss, and I say, I come there say kiss you for where for public. And I say never. You know if you walk, I can't they put the shame.
And the guy that since he got me down, so
Yes, I can't devote the shame. I can't even tell and say, you short to. No, I say, I say, you even too small for me. Like to, I'm not the other. They tell her, man, because I
That's
said
your
talk.
mama now.
I don't say, I
be say the boy they knock people where they sitting. I make her not shame when you
Shame.
they sitting. So make kiss her for
It's
outside.
a public.
oh, wait. No, that one a night period. When I let our boss take on, that's why.
Ask
So
question.
I was like, now because say you too smart. I tell her when I say you too smart, say you be like all those French students. Like I say, now you be this one. Like we know I don't say I call the laugh. They think all the very for me. I call the shy. I call the laugh. The roll up at that like the job the laugh. I said that you be this one. So they will come book Uber. As we book Uber now, I could buy plantain chips. No, I could actually they call me buy plantain chips call for me with month because I'm not eat confide the travel, I'm not the eat commot. I just on a rebel today travel.
It's a road.
So now say if I reach that plantain chips with month, make I drink. So make off I drink the month, we can eat the plantain chips together. So where do Uber come and do Uber call the Arab guy. So we come enter the Uber and I call greet the guy salam alaikum. So me and we come the talk. So me and him come dey talk, we come dey discuss. So the Uber man, because he say the boy dey plan for my chips, they eat with they discuss like and the Uber man just start to the verse, the Arab guy.
Why?
I don't know. He just start to the para. Hey, mo no put plantain chips for inside a car. Say they don't fit put plantain chips. Cut the shot. Now I say Now I say you see any dirty for come see me online. Now I say you see that they say dirty no dey. He called the give the chat to, he called the talk, he called even carry phone, they call a friend. They call a friend, I don't know if that
Okay, what we
so but that Wetin cause our fight now. My agenda now, that one so where I could tell her, I can't monitor this boy if they call.
Franco, thank
Then
you.
this boy now, one day I can't ask him again. They get me because I don't even show this boy to the extent Ekenimwe Ebomeji will worry with Nigeria in one room, or you power. It's shock like they get me. So that I say, I not joke with me. I say, open up and be done, you don't put me in a very high voltage. At the end of the day, I'll come financement there, you go pay for it because I tell you, say, like they get me. So now therefore come tell me say yes,
Thank you.
this person they chat am. He can't show me the side where the person take chat am. He not can show precious thank you. He not can show your side where they chat the person. That my
Okay.
agenda and Alexander question give me. So me can't go my WhatsApp, go the throw shade they give that one due to me. I'm very wrong for that. Yes.
Okay.
I did at fault for that. I'm supposed to ask that one question
Okay,
first.
Apple.
But I'm not ask that question. So I can't go the throw shade for my WhatsApp. So wait that one come see am. Say that one can't even write me. I call his destination block that one. Because he can show the part where that one to say that small rebel like now you let her come your place.
Okay.
So now that will trigger me. Now I can go through the shade. As that one say that one write me say my sister more talk. That's why I take block that one. Can go block that one for TikTok. If you get me, so that one I'm not become bear the thing. And one fake account where they come 24. That one can go they write me like say name be the Alexander. So me and that one can be the Miss Flower Sophia issue come. Me and that one pop one for chatting. What should we get for head for there? So then that Alexander not because now I can take contact that my pet that the way they journey. Got it and say, see what your pikin they do. I know hear from me. Even though you different person, hear from my side, what it happen. Person start chat, it get the person always still there. They get me. So that one can't call me, that one can't quarrel with me. Cause let me say, not be so that they do something. Listen to me, you hear from me side. Now that one take conference all of us for call. We conference all of us for call. Confess the ace joiner. Can't show his own chat. Now his go in DM.
Go the chat out.
Go the chat and me come. Me even come. The day when me they come out, they follow on the chat.
That is now only once you can't go there. His place like that now.
No, I dey come, Mama. After this one, I still go wait. Mama, now talk with the talk. The corner,
The story long. Just let them the talk. They go.
Okay.
Long.
Then he can't. Even that when me come up for that place, they go airport back. This boy they follow this person. They try even tell her I take fuck me, blah blah blah. Sorry, I take knock me. Maybe because of TikTok, maybe they can't tell her. I can't see the channel. I was very weak. Like, guy, you get sense. Like, what you they try to do? So I can't use my own knowledge, we can't try to settle the issue. I can't beg that one we can't close the case. It used to be like person way weak for phone, like that one cut and say anytime we take cash, they say even baby mama say go bloody. You go let the baby mama see what they go say because in a form of to carry a friend's head jam together. Not the police one. So I can't try to settle this shit. I can't ignore for some days. They can't beg. They can't even lay down. They can't they traumatize. They call me. They do video. They say for me say we're not feel go work all those kind of things. They call that my pet dad. Then I say okay, give one chance. Even people when I did their apartment that time, they share my Swedish family. All those one I know them. So I can't explain for all those one. So all those one I got to say make I give one chance. They give me the see. And that will change.
Okay.
So we can't continue to do.
The time when you did data, they give you money, Abi? Or no, you just they go?
Only once he does send 150 euro for me, which he does buy train ticket train ticket 50 euro 2 times, but the rest I was in charge of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So why not now?
Yeah. So then they could me I give him a second chance. So I can't beg now. Say no problem. I can't give him a second chance again. So we can't continue to go. So I work one day like that around 1:30. Mostly sometimes like that. Sometimes my shift go for 1:30 the next morning. Then I will buy ticket instantly. They go a place, I'll spend 2 days, I'll go cook for them. I go say, baby mama, no come cook. If they call and that one say, you get things in, they give an excuse, they beg and that one no break on. So, me, I'll call carry out, but when I get to the break off in front of every 3 months or 4 months until the break is the coffin, and just I call cut for it. Even brush, I call pack medicine because they ride this Uber. I call pack medicine because you go say body the pain. I call pack many things like that. Follow body go give them even whether they wear for cook, some cap everything. Even boss herself, I buy a boss her set.
Okay.
Put.
Okay, now I see it.
Go give her me just like. Then I can't cook stew. That day I package. I start to cook. I cook stew. I cook meal. I cook everything. I put in fridge for them.
Wow.
Then we can't still knack. At the same that they're tired. They're waiting. I say no. But now we go. The next day, take off. Rest because I get work to cash around 2:00 in the afternoon.
Okay.
So I probably sway day. So we constantly continue the talk, they discuss, they laugh. Sometimes I not feel like if you the bath aside the truth, they show me. Me go the bath for the busy, they brush, they cook anywhere. So we can't do that one. But with the check each other for if any screenshot or something they inside. I have to say this. I know they hide that. Even my gender too, they don't still do the same thing. Those my gender way chat they told them he doesn't follow they do the same thing, but you not get screenshot for me not to get photo. So then to the extent we be want to do this blood oath. Not say no. Now in me and you call the nurse and not fit nurse because I don't know what it go happen for future. Near the women, you understand me. So I need to bring all those things. I mean, they cut all those parts. I don't want to be talking. So
talk everything, family. Talk everything.
Then after those issues, like all those ones don't come off for grant. So sometimes I buy tickets, can't they go the same. So you can't get one day like that. We can't get small misunderstanding. So I can't insult them. Then one call reply me, call me Agbiagia, which is Russian Ashawo.
Igbiagia.
So now
Okpo, that is me Okpo for English, my people. We not they hear English.
Okay.
So he can't tell me say I be that Ashawo. That kind of say, how dare you? Now say you don't see me where for stand for road. So I say, even your baby mama, the way they talk to me, fear not let you talk to your baby mama. Sometimes the way they make up with her for my president, you go the fear for phone. I said, but me we can't give you myself because beside it very low, like you they get me. Then you want to turn out to another thing for my head. You they get me. So I can't snub at that period. I'm not going to follow the talk. Now there I put in as a phone. There I call the thing I say you go find your way because say this thing no you're the one's friend, normal friend with benefits. I say all this thing I don't need that way go they give me headache for me. I don't want to. It's
Other you not can give you money, everybody just separate you. All those
Now say
relationship,
I
I
don't
like it, I
need
like it, not supposed to
headache.
be inside.
Yeah, I don't need headache. I say I don't feel for wahala. I say na my dey suffer dey. I dey try to no, he love me. He ready to die. He love me. Now he say na me know the first one. Na me in this virgin the first time. If I not near any other woman suffer dey, he go for your common sense. Suffer dey live your life. They go say.
Sure. That means this guy, not be you. Sorry, novice. That means this guy is so bros. He's so not be your body for start this. Your gentleman they do.
Now waiting. Now my own media talk. So anybody wait. No, I mean they come as I call they identify
Just
themselves.
let's clear. Bad man. And the problem. Okay.
So then
What
I cost number. So it come with the call people when I know me, they beg me. So those one come put us a conference come together. Even my Swedish family, they call the others one call the call. I say, are you the couples where they work every day like they busy? Are you the who they find attention, they who they distract? No one even now you they call now. I can't keep that one. So I be Percy do me something, mama. I not the lie. I'll keep and I study. I disabi study Percy. We feel the follow Percy, but I dey calculate. My head they work. And again, one certain time when me in the SARS, if they talk to me at the back like I'll backhand like this, I'll keep quiet. And anybody when I do the show my back, when I give back like this, and I keep quiet, make that person room. Because I get another anything, the person feel fuck up at any time, I give them one, he say boundaries and distance, the person knows you. Now I go explode. Now the another thing.
Wednesday, why they give to many money? Wala, I don't know the why they give to me now.
Then that one can't settle, we can't still come back. As we come back again now, could you believe, even ES with the Nigeria with the talk, me and that one with the talk, can't connect me, ES with this ready for Nigeria where they be, where they do boyfriend and girlfriend, they come separate before I come Europe, me and that one with the talk.
Yes, now, and I see.
No, normal day, na normal woman.
Okay. Now do well for the gift.
So I normally the girl guests well. The girl even first tell us say this thing where you they go through, so you go feel withstand like with the waiting go come as first. You tell us say no, blah 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 blah. So that one me and that one they talk with that one and my friend. If you use that one account, they write me that one picture, copy that for account, they write me yesterday for where I take cash and again I come out. So then. I even in my master, I just say my mama know those kind of things. We gonna leave that set aside. So then,
so you don't spend though. That means you don't do the spend.
Mama, no,
mama,
like, no, mama, I talk with the phone. So no, when I let me talk, I'll be person. I'm not the even mama know me. If you tell mama say I thief, he go ready to follow you go anywhere. But if he tell you say I fight, I do this one, he go say we went no. And that's why I not sabi grant. Then I can forgive him. So if I go a place that I consider they continue the buy tickets. Sometimes I'll just if I get 2 days, I look I get 4 days for 3 days. I'll just buy tickets. France could be like water for me. Sometimes they use the 2 airports, Orid and CDJ. So take the flat people they do flat this thing for the assistants with they mark my face, they know me.
So now like they take the go, so not be trained.
A month self, I don't go there reach 3 times or 4 times.
Oh God.
I saw the place near France.
I said airport, France airport, Oris and CDJ. Oris and CDJ, they know me.
The truth is that these 2 people, they was in love in Yebo. So they was in love.
The airport people, they know me where they be say, So take the last one where me go now go ya can't drop me. I don't even book taxi. The money of taxi which now go ya can't try. Go ya
family talk everything.
Talk everything.
Now go ya can't pick me. Go drop the last one. Go ya pick me with your husband. They pick me. I even book taxi. I can't even cancel the taxi. And I go ya could say one just move, just see more talk. Then that one can't pick me. Go drop me for everything.
Pick you. Yeah, my daughter finger with it. Last.
No,